Good morning. And in this quick video is to show you how you can send a text-only message from your workflow. So after you have your workflow created, you can come into the plus sign and you're going to have two ways on how to send an email. First one, you can do a message hub message. If you have the message hub configured, and you're going to see that in here, it gives you the option for email, subject, and the message. And that will send that email, just a basic text email. The other way is that you can come here in the plus and you go send email, and you can use your templates or create a new one. And then when you create a new template, you can customize that email and you can then drop any text block. So we can take a title or a paragraph. So let's drop a title and then let's drop a paragraph. And there you have some text, and then you can save and publish and then send a test to your email. So let me just type email here and click send text. So here we have the example of the email that arrived. So you can see that it's a plain text message without no graphics. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any question, please let me know.